National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Johnsonville, or near Camden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Waverly, Camden, New Johnsonville, McEwen, Burns, Hurricane Mills, Charlotte, Van Leer, and I-40 near the Tennessee River. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 136 and 142, between mile markers 159 and 160, and between mile markers 164 and 172. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. The National